And with that elevation comes the rising threat levels. 3 unclaimed bags were found outside the Bharatiya Janata Party office on Ashoka Road in the capital. Bomb disposal squad was called to the spot early this morning at their office in Ashoka Road. Now later on, a couple came forward to in fact claim those bags, and they are being interrogated by the police as we speak.
The woman on your screen is the woman, part of that couple who were taken in by the police. They left their bags there. No clarity on precisely who they are. They basically said that they were there to meet somebody, but they left their bags because they were too heavy. And this was right outside the main entrance of the BJP headquarters, the VVIP entrance and exit. Let's go straight across to our deputy editor on the ground right there at the BJP office, Brijesh Pandey. Brijesh, what's the latest you're hearing on this terrifying story? A definite security breach.
Oh, absolutely, a massive security breach, because the gate was found barely a meter and a half outside the exit gate, and both the entry and the exit gate is manned 24/7 by 2 to 3 security guards. And given the fact that today Home Minister, Prime Minister is also expected to come, and other various high-profile dignitaries were going to come who enjoy a security level of Z+. So this was indeed extremely shocking that 2 people can come, put 2 big suitcases. It was also not like that, there were small packets left outside the entrance gate. It was 2 big suitcases and 1 backpack, which was left out meter and a half away from the exit gate, which is manned 24/7 by 2 security guards, and they can go away. And it was only after 15-20 minutes that somebody noticed, and immediately Delhi Police bomb squad was alerted, and these 2 people were taken. Now these people are saying that they are yoga teachers and they were facing some sort of a problem, and they had gone ahead and also complained to the police, but the police was not listening. So they had come to meet somebody. While they've been taken to the nearest police station for further questioning, because the police is not going to let them go.
Well, absolutely, it is only after that questioning.
The story
absolutely, it's only after that questioning is in fact concluded that there will be some clarity on whether this was, a mere coincidence or actually a threat. But Brijesh, having said that, just last week Amit Shah's security was reviewed and he was given Z category security. So obviously there is a rising threat perception there.
Oh, absolutely. And last week, Ministry of Home official conducted its annual security review meeting. And it was in that security review meeting, given the kind of success Amit Shah had lately and the fact that BJP has come to power, his threat perception was rated extremely high. And he was accorded one of the highest security levels, which is accorded to most of these people. Other than the Prime Minister of the country, he was accorded Z+ security. Earlier, he was enjoying Z category security, but now he enjoys the highest level of security, Z+. And given the fact that it has happened immediately after that, it is definitely a massive security breach.
Right, absolutely. Massive security breach and high drama outside the Bharatiya Janata Party headquarters. Thanks, Brijesh, for that live update. We will keep coming back to you for more.